Hi guys, welcome to Money Lux. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about how to make money while in medical school, 13 best ways. So make sure to watch the full video. 1. Instagram content creator. All you need is to create an Instagram account and start creating content based on your interest. You can create content related to any niche in your medical school. You can share the knowledge gained in your medical school with the public through infographics, carousels, reels, etc. Post consistently, engage with your audience, and build a community. Once you reach a good number of followers, there are a number of ways to make money. You can collaborate with brands in your niche, organize workshops, paid partnerships, etc. The earnings depend on the number of brands you collaborate with and the services that you offer. 2. YouTube. If you are someone who loves making videos and talking to people, YouTube is the place for you. Choose a niche you know and love to talk about. You can give educational information, talk about your medical school experiences or your study tips, or anything that you want to share. You can record your videos with your phone and edit them using apps like InShot or KineMaster. Once you get a fair number of subscribers, you can invest in a good quality camera and a microphone to enhance the quality of your content. You don't need a big investment to start a YouTube channel. All you need is to allocate some time in your schedule to shoot and edit your videos. Once your YouTube channel is monetized and you have a good number of views, you can even earn up to 1 to 2 lakhs/month. 3. Freelance content creator. If you are good at writing and have a good command of basic English, you can become a freelance content writer. This is one of the quickest ways to start. You may not make big numbers in the beginning, but you just need to start. Once you gain some experience and testimonials, you can charge how much ever you want. You can look for clients on websites like Upwork.com, Fiverr.com, LinkedIn.com, PeopleUpperHour.com, etc. See how your fellow writers pitch to their clients, do your research, and start pitching to your potential clients. As a medical student, you can be a medical content writer. To establish authority and gain experience, you can publish a few papers with the help of your professors from your college. You can build a simple portfolio by listing these papers. 4. Tutoring. While in medical school, you can become a part-time tutor, either offline or online. For example, you can be an anatomy tutor/physiology tutor and help students who are weak in these subjects and charge for the same. Trust me, there are thousands of students all around the world who would pay you to learn what you already know. Apart from medical subjects, if you have a passion for teaching, you can also teach any skill of your expertise or even a foreign language and charge for the same. 5. Blogging. A blog is basically a website where you post your writings to attract your target audience. To start a blog, you need to invest a small amount to buy your domain and hosting services. You can create your blog at blogger.com or wordpress.org or wix.com. These are some of the websites widely used by bloggers. Like YouTube, blogging also takes time to monetize. You have to be patient and consistent. Once your blog gets a good amount of views, you can apply for Google AdSense and earn from advertising. 6. Virtual assistant. A virtual assistant is a person who supports entrepreneurs with their business from a remote position. A VA should be in a position to perform multiple tasks as per the client's requirements. Some of these tasks include social media management, email management, helping with lead magnet generation and sales, etc. You need to figure out what kind of skills you will offer your clients and prepare a portfolio based on that. 7. Selling stock photos. Are you someone interested in photography? Do you click a lot of pictures every now and then? Then why are all these photos sitting idle in your mobile phone? You can actually make money by selling these photographs online. There are several websites where you can upload your photos and videos and make money from them. Some of them are Shutterstock.com and Istock.com. Your earnings depend on the number of images getting sold. 8. Sell your own digital products. There are many types of digital products that you can sell online, like templates, ebooks, checklists, journals, magazines. It takes some time to set up a store, but once done and listed, that can generate a constant income as soon as you start getting sales. Launching a digital product is a superb source of passive income. Your earnings depend on the sales of your products. 9. Graphic designing. The first thing that you need to decide to become a freelance graphic designer is your niche. Which industry are you going to design for, like fashion, food, etc.? Or are you going to design a specific product, like logo, brochures, etc., so that you can target your ideal client? You should be familiar with graphic designing software like Photoshop, Illustrator, Canva, etc. You can also learn them with the help of YouTube, or take up courses in Udemy or Skillshare. Once you master the skill, make some sample designs and list them in your portfolio. Some websites where you can find graphic designing jobs. 10. Social media manager. To be a social media manager, you need to have a good understanding of how social media platforms and their respective algorithms work. A social media manager is a person who looks after a client's social media account, creates posts, uploads them, markets them, manages their social media campaigns, replies to DMs and comments, etc., to attract the target audience and increase sales. You can offer your services for just one social media platform or multiple platforms. Choose only those platforms that you are comfortable working on. Once you choose the platform, pick the services that you are going to offer your clients. It can be content creation, or marketing and lead generation, or even both. Once you have decided these, you need to put out yourself first to get clients. Create valuable content showing your clients how they will benefit from choosing you for that social media platform. You can get clients through the same social media platform you chose, or look for clients on websites like Upwork.com or Fiverr.com. 11. Freelance web developer. The first step towards becoming a freelance web developer is learning to code. You may not need to be a pro at coding, but knowing the basics is crucial to get started. Learn HTML and CSS for sure, in addition to the basics of PHP, JavaScript, and some WordPress knowledge would be helpful in getting freelance projects. You can learn them easily by watching YouTube tutorials, or you can also take courses at Udemy. Practicing what you learned is very crucial as a beginner. So once you learn these languages, try to create a website showcasing your client about your skills and capability. Once you are done with your portfolio, you can start looking for clients on websites like freelancer.com or upwork.com. In the beginning, take any work that comes your way to gain experience and expertise. 12. Affiliate marketing. If you are a blogger, YouTuber, or even Instagram content creator, you should consider starting affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is promoting other brands' products and getting a commission against any sale that you make. You can promote products that you use in your day-to-day life, so that you won't sound too salesy and people will relate with you too. This is one of the most common methods used by affiliate marketers. The same strategy applies to bloggers too. 13. Selling Canva templates. Canva is an open-source graphic designing platform to create presentations, posters, posts, and almost everything visual. You can create your own templates easily using Canva and sell them online. These templates can be your Facebook/Instagram post templates, ebook cover templates, presentation templates, etc. Some websites where you can sell your Canva templates include Etsy.com and CreativeMarket.com. Your monthly earnings depend on the sales of your templates. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.